In this video, we'll be diving into the top 5 best toolbox sets for 2025, highlighting the key features and performance of each one to help you find the perfect fit for your needs. From DIY enthusiasts to professionals, these tool sets offer versatility, durability, and convenience for every task. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. Venmess. The Venmess Professional Motorcycle and Bicycle Quick Maintenance Toolset is a highly versatile ratchet screwdriver set designed for a wide range of tasks. Made from high-quality chrome vanadium steel, this set ensures exceptional durability and long-lasting performance, perfect for both household and professional use. The set includes 38 pieces, offering a variety of bits such as Phillips, flathead, Torx, hex, positive, YT type, and U-type, ensuring comprehensive coverage for different fasteners. It also features multiple socket sizes, providing compatibility with various nuts and bolts. One of the standout features of this set is the labor-saving ratchet handle. This handle reduces hand fatigue while maximizing efficiency, making it easier to tackle tough jobs. Additionally, the dual-length ratchet handles offer excellent maneuverability in tight spaces, allowing you to work in areas that would otherwise be difficult to reach. The set also includes a universal extension rod and extension shaft for added reach, making it easier to work in confined areas. The magnetic screwdriver heads are particularly helpful as they securely grip screws, preventing slippage during installation or removal. This is especially beneficial when working with small screws in electronics, furniture assembly, or automotive repairs. Packaged in a well-organized and compact storage box, the set ensures easy portability and keeps everything neatly in place, reducing the risk of losing any parts. This toolset is a reliable and user-friendly option for anyone looking to handle a variety of mechanical and DIY tasks. Number 4. Tlgreen. The Tlgreen 95-piece mechanics tool set is designed to provide everything you need for automotive repairs, home improvement, or general mechanical tasks. Crafted from high-quality carbon steel, each tool is built for strength and long-lasting performance, making it ideal for demanding work environments. This set includes a wide range of tools, such as sockets, wrenches, and screwdrivers, offering both metric and SAE combination wrenches for versatile fastener compatibility. A standout feature of this set is the ergonomic ratchet handle, which reduces hand fatigue during extended use. The quick release mechanism ensures smooth socket changes, allowing for efficient tightening and loosening of nuts and bolts. Additionally, the set includes a variety of bits, hex keys, and an adjustable wrench, making it perfect for precision work as well as larger mechanical tasks. For added versatility, the tool set also comes with long-nosed pliers and diagonal cutting pliers, useful for electrical and intricate repairs. A knife and level are also included, expanding the functionality of the kit. All tools are stored in a durable plastic storage case with a molded interior, ensuring everything stays in place and making the set easy to transport. Whether you're a professional mechanic, a handyman, or a DIY enthusiast, this comprehensive tool set provides the reliability and convenience needed for a wide variety of repair jobs. Number 3. Deko DKMT228. The Deko DKMT228 Toolbox Set is a 228-piece collection designed for efficiency and versatility, making it a must-have for any home or workshop. Whether you're handling simple home repairs, automotive maintenance, or DIY projects, this comprehensive tool set provides the right tools for the job. Each tool is made from high-quality, wear-resistant materials, ensuring durability and long-lasting performance. This set includes a wide range of wrenches, sockets, screwdrivers, pliers, and other essential hand tools, equipping you to tackle everything from basic fixes to more complex mechanical work. The tools are organized in a sturdy plastic storage case with precisely molded slots to keep everything secure and easy to access. This organization ensures quick identification and retrieval of the right tool when you need it. One of the key features of this set is its inclusion of multi-specification stereo tools, covering various sizes and types of fasteners and supporting both metric and standard measurements. The ergonomic design of the tools enhances comfort and grip, reducing hand fatigue during extended use. Ideal for both beginners and experienced users, this tool set is perfect for household repairs, furniture assembly, and minor mechanical work. It's a practical and reliable solution for a wide range of applications, offering excellent value with its variety, durability, and organization. The Deko DKMT228 is a great choice for homeowners, DIY enthusiasts, and professionals alike. Number 2. Weytoll. The Weytoll 108-piece tool set is designed for versatility, durability, and convenience, making it an essential choice for home repairs, automotive maintenance, and DIY projects. Whether you are a homeowner handling small fixes, a car owner performing routine maintenance, or a DIY enthusiast working on creative projects, this set has the tools to get the job done efficiently. Each tool is crafted from high-quality steel with a chrome-plated finish, providing excellent resistance to rust and corrosion. Built for longevity, these tools ensure reliable performance, even with frequent use. The ergonomic TPR rubber handles offer a secure, non-slip grip, reducing hand fatigue and improving comfort during extended tasks. The kit includes a wide variety of tools, such as a claw hammer, versatile screwdriver set, wire stripper, combination wrenches, ratchet wrench, Allen wrenches, mini saw, tape measure, leveling instrument, and more. This extensive selection allows you to handle everything from simple home repairs to more intricate DIY projects. It's also suitable for automotive maintenance, whether you need to adjust a bolt, replace a part, or perform minor fixes. The set comes in a portable, well-organized storage case, keeping all 108 pieces secure and easily accessible. The compact design makes it easy to store in a garage, workshop, or vehicle, providing on-the-go convenience. Overall, this tool set is a practical investment for households and workshops, offering durability and versatility for a wide range of tasks. Number 1. Deko DKMT168. The Deko DKMT168 Toolbox Set is designed for versatility and durability, making it a perfect choice for DIY enthusiasts, homeowners, and professionals tackling a variety of household and woodworking tasks. This 168-piece set is built with high-quality stainless steel and ABS materials, ensuring precision, strength, and reliability for frequent use. This comprehensive kit includes essential tools like hammers, pliers, combination wrenches, ratchets, sockets, screwdrivers, hex wrenches, and a utility knife. Each tool is ergonomically designed for comfort and control, allowing you to complete tasks like tightening bolts, cutting materials, or measuring dimensions with ease. The set also features a range of sockets and hex key wrenches that cover standard and metric measurements from 4 mm to 19 mm, making it compatible with various fasteners. A standout feature of this set is the robust torque wrench, allowing for precise tightening of bolts and nuts without the risk of over-tightening or damaging components. This is especially useful for furniture assembly or small mechanical projects. The inclusion of a saw further expands the kit's capabilities, allowing you to cut through different materials. The tools are securely stored in a heavy-duty plastic toolbox with designated slots, ensuring everything stays organized and easy to access. Whether you're using it for home repairs, woodworking, or DIY maintenance, this kit simplifies your tasks with high-quality tools and excellent organization, making it an invaluable addition to any workshop. There you have it, the top 5 toolbox sets for 2025. Whether you're upgrading your collection or just getting started, these sets are sure to make your projects easier and more efficient. Let us know in the comments which one caught your eye